Crouched low, the great cat begins the final approach. The success of the pride rests on this moment of silent precision. As the golden hour bathes the plains, the lion surveys his territory, the wind carrying the scent of prey. Bathed in the golden light of the late afternoon, the lioness executes the perfect stealth posture. The scent of weakness hangs heavy in the air. This solitary wildebeest, the lion tenses, its powerful claws digging deep into the parched earth, ready to launch into a sprint.
In a dramatic climax, the lion makes its move. In a stunning display of power, the male lion reaches the apex of his leap, muscles taut, eyes fixed firmly on his prey. In a sudden burst of speed, the pride male asserts dominance. The struggle is fierce, but brief. The king of the savannah pauses after the hunt, his heavy breaths a stark reminder of the... After a long patrol, the male lion must regain his strength. Every breath is crucial in this unforgiving landscape. In the fading light of the golden hour, the lionesses move cautiously, recognizing the authority of the pride's dominant male. As the sun dips below the horizon, the king of the savannah surveys his kingdom.
With the setting sun, the lion begins his hunt, his gaze fixed on the unsuspecting herds.
The early morning light bathes the savannah as the matriarch leads her family in search of water.
Protected within the heart of the herd, the calf learns the ancient paths of the savannah.
The matriarch senses danger on the wind. The herd immediately responds, their survival instincts overriding the calm of the evening.
Bathed in the golden light, the bull delivers his warning. The massive ears unfurl, signaling his readiness to defend his territory.
When threatened, the herd instinctively forms a tight circle, horns facing outward, protecting the vulnerable young at the center.
The dominant bull makes his intentions clear. This imposing display is a direct confrontation with the approaching threat.
A dramatic display of raw power.
Swinging its trunk with incredible force, the elephant displaces the fine dust of the savannah, a dramatic display of strength. Swinging its trunk with incredible force, the elephant displaces the fine dust of the savannah, a dramatic display of strength.
The bull issues a clear warning. This is a mock charge, designed to intimidate, but the power behind it is very real.
In the fading light, the massive bull slowly relaxes, his breathing steadying. After the initial scare, the herd instinctively tightens its formation. The golden hour light illuminates.
Safe under the watchful eye of the matriarch, the baby elephant indulges in a cooling dust bath, essential for protecting its sensitive skin.
Weighing over 6 tons, this magnificent bull seeks respite at the watering hole.
In the early morning mist of the bamboo forest, the giant panda moves slowly, pausing only to
Relying on a keen sense of smell, the giant panda meticulously searches the dense undergrowth for the freshest shoots.
With jaws strong enough to crush bone, the panda easily snaps the fibrous stalk, extracting the vital nutrients within.
The giant panda's powerful jaws can easily crush the toughest bamboo stalks, consuming up to 40 pounds a day. Aided by a specialized wrist bone, the panda strips the tough bamboo, consuming up to 14 hours a day.
Weighing over 200 pounds, the panda must use caution as it slowly climbs the slippery moss-covered trunk.
Gripping the mossy bark, the panda must maintain perfect balance high above the forest floor.
Standing over 5 feet tall, the panda reveals its true size and power in the dense forest.
The panda asserts its dominance not with aggression, but with a subtle warning glance, urging the intruder to keep its distance.
Having found a suitable grove, the panda settles in for the first meal of the day, consuming the bamboo with practiced ease. This relaxed posture allows the panda to efficiently process the fibrous bamboo, a cornerstone of its survival strategy.
Deep within the misty mountains, the giant panda thrives, utilizing its powerful jaws to strip the resilient bamboo stalks.
The giant panda, a symbol of conservation, spends its days in the misty bamboo forests, chewing calmly.
High in the misty mountains of Qinling, the giant panda finds solace in the dense bamboo, a peaceful moment in a dramatic wilderness.
Here in the misty forests, the giant panda spends its days in peaceful solitude, a true icon of the wilderness.